Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, Rabbi Shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa halul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. How are you guys?
Fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. And how are you?
I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. Can you introduce yourself, or I think so you're Muaz, right?
Yep.
Okay, great. So today we will have a simple topic, which is how was Big Bang discovered? Okay. And the same topic we have learned with Khala. Khala and Ibrahim know about it. I don't know you came in that session or not, but well, let me give you an introduction about that. Were you in that session, Maaz?
No, I'm in last session.
Okay, 1 minute. So, well, let me tell you. One minute. One minute, Afi. Okay, my questions to you are that who discovered Big Bang? Can you tell me? Yes, Muaz and Ibrahim. Who?
Scientist.
Can you name the one who did this?
Einstein.
No. Well, it was the one known as George Lemaitre. I hope so Khala and Ibrahim know about him now because they already learned it, but I'm revising for all of you guys. Now listen closely, dear brothers and sisters. George Lemaitre was a Belgian priest and cosmologist. First, he was the first who proposed the Big Bang theory in 1920s. Let me talk about his early life. Georges Lemaitre was born in Charleroi, Belgium, on July 17, 1894, and died on June 20th, 1966. He was both a priest and a scientist from the beginning of his life. Okay? Lemaitre's theory was that the Big Bang from a single primordial atom. He published a paper in 1931 that provided a solution to the equations of general relativity for an expanding universe. Now, you will not understand about that, blah, 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 but let's now know the most key important thing, which is that he was the person who first purposed the Big Bang theory. Now, for example, let me give you some important clues. Can anybody tell me, do people around us, whole world around us, have the curiosity for space? It's an easy question. You can say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, Ibrahim. Yes, Khala and Hassan. You three are left.
Yes.
Okay. Well, Khala and Ibrahim can say that because I already told them why. And let me tell you, Hassan and Muaz, why? Why is that people have curiosity about the space? Well, from the start, people have curiosity about the space, that what is in the space, how is in the space, all of that. Okay, now what happens in that curiosity that one day somebody made a telescope. There were so many inventions, and during those inventions, another invention, its name was telescope. What is telescope? Telescope is a type of binocular from which we can see the outer space. I mean, when a rocket passes Earth's boundary, so it can see space. But if we are in Earth and we want to see from Earth outside of Earth, so what will we do? We will use a telescope. Now it can be advanced or small or inadvanced. So, like this, first telescope was not so much advanced and it was also small. And after that, it became little bigger, 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 and it had so many advantages that started, humans started seeing the stars close to them, the planets, and the galaxies close to them. But what happened? Mars, you have to learn carefully this important thing. After centuries passed by, those same scientists, no, not those same scientists, the other people, when they looked into their biographies, into the past people's biographies, and got to know that yes, they have seen the stars. They were 100 kilometers away or 1,000 kilometers away from Earth by their calculation, and then they will see from the telescope. So they will be 2,000 or 3,000 kilometers away. They are going very, very, very far away. Why? Why is that? Because of this question, scientists have took out an expandation process from which the universe expands, and when it will expand more and more, so what will happen? The planets and the galaxies and the stars and everything will have a very, very, very wide gap in between them. They will be very far away from each other. So this is the important thing which you have to know about. Did everyone get my point? And why did this expanding process happen? Now, because of this question, scientists thought expanding, expand. This is a process. So, how did this process happen? This process can only happen in one key thing, that there might be an explosion from which the explosions things went outwards, and when they went outwards, they started expanding, and the new universe start becoming, you know, start becoming wider and big. Okay, so yes, this is also very important to you guys, that you have to learn it. So I have given this task to Fala and Ibrahim, Mars. So let's see what do they say. Yes, Khala and Ibrahim, one by one explain me about what did I say. In easy words and simple words, I can ask any question. And then Maz, I will give you the homework for next week. You will come and tell me about the same thing. Yes, hurry up.
Can I?
What, Maz?
Do you mean if the universe is expanding and expanding?
Yes, so how is it expanding? This was the question after that. So yes, we have seen this. Yes, Ibrahim and Khala. Fastly, fastly. We don't have so much time. Today is Friday as well, and we are late. And I am also busy for different other things. I have to go somewhere, as well as I have packing to do. So don't be so late. Unmute yourself one by one and start telling me all of the things. Ibrahim, you can tell me first. Open your mic, unmute yourself.
What is the question?
The question was, I told you the whole process of how was Big Bang discovered. Now you also have to tell me. Both of you, but one by one. Ibrahim, first you tell me, then Khala can tell me.
In Urdu or English?
Anything you prefer.
Okay. सबसे पहले कि बिग बैंग डिस्कवर किया था जॉर्ज लिमिनेट ने। एक मिनट, मेरे माइक में प्रॉब्लम है। आवाज नहीं आ रही।
जी अब आके सही से आवाज आ रही है, अब आप बोलें।
आवाज नहीं आ रही। कुछ नहीं आ रहा। आवाज नहीं आ रही। मैसेज कर रहा हूँ।
अखी, कैन यू हियर मी?
देखो
चले ख्वाला, जब तक वो हो रहा है तब तक आप बताएं। यस ख्वाला। My voice is clear to everybody?
Yep.
Then, Ibrahim, you can see maybe your internet problem is going on. Khwala, is my voice clear? Yes, Khwala, is my voice clear?
Yes.
Okay, now can you tell me what I was asking you? That was your homework. Well,
Okay. पहले universe discovered
can you come close to the mic? I cannot hear you properly.
Big Bang discover किया था
I cannot hear you.
Okay. पहले बिग बैंग डिस्कवर किया था जॉर्ज लेमेट्रा ने.
Okay. What did he do?
कि यूनिवर्स एक्सपैंड हो रही है. जैसे बैलून से दो डॉट्स बनाए और फिर
Its
हम उसे
answer,
फैलाएं तो वो
its
दो
answer
डॉट्स.
is, Khala, listen. Its answer is simple answer. Give me, okay, not so much long. Its simple answer is the one who discovered Big Bang, or who purposed the Big Bang first, was George Lemaitre. This is the simple and short answer. Okay, and he was the one who purposed Big Bang. Now, did you understand? Like this, he did the purpose that yes, maybe from the expanding process, they all he might have purposed it by telling that yes, maybe might be an explosion. I cannot hear you guys. I don't know why today you are not properly giving me the answer or response. I wanna ask you guys. Maz, आपको समझ आ गया सब कुछ? Can you understand all of the things?
क्या मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, Akhi.
ओके.
Yes, Akhi, आपको बताना है? मैं तो आपसे पूछ रहा था. Akhi.
ठीक है, आप वो दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे, तब आवाज नहीं क्लियर आ रही थी.
अच्छा चले, मैं आपको वापस कर देता हूँ. मैं बता रहा था आपको जॉर्ज लिमेट्रा के बारे में. आपको पूरी मैंने उसकी शॉर्ट सी ब्रीफ सी लाइफ बताई थी, क्या वो भी आपको समझ नहीं आई?
तब दरअसल ये हुआ था कि आपकी ना आवाज नहीं क्लियर आ रही थी.
चले मैं वापस आपको बता देता हूँ. We are talking about a person known as George Lemaitre. His name is George Lemaitre, a Belgian priest and cosmologist, and is considered the father of the Big Bang theory. He was the first in 1920s to theorize the universe's beginning from a single periodial atom. Okay. और उसकी his birthplace was in Belgium. Okay. In 1966. Yes.
ओके.
Now he was the one to tell the whole process of Big Bang, and he is also known as the father of Big Bang.
How the idea come?
Bhai, they were cosmologists, they were astronomers, they had done so much working on different things. That's why when they started these type of projects, so they got success in them. A simple thing. They got answers, so many, they did calculations and they got their answer.
Okay.
Now can you explain to me?
Yeah,
Yes, so carry on, go on.
ये
Explain.
आपने ने बताया था जो बिग बैंग थ्योरी डिस्कवर की थी जॉर्ज लिमेनेट ने इन 1920s। और ये क्या कहते हैं, इन्हें द फादर ऑफ बिग बैंग थ्योरी भी कहा जाता है। और ये एक यानी एस्ट्रोनॉमर थे, यानी एक्सप्लोरर थे, दुनिया को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते थे। तो इन्होंने आगे से बिग बैंग को डिस्कवर किया था।
एस्ट्रोनॉमर और वर्ल्ड एक्सप्लोरर में डिफरेंस है थोड़ा बहुत। आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि वो वर्ल्ड को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते थे, आप कह सकते थे वो यूनिवर्स को पूरे एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते थे कि उसकी बिगिनिंग कहाँ से हुई। तो इसी में इन्होंने फर्स्ट इसको थ्योरेटिकली समझाया भी, और अब वो कहलाते हैं द फादर ऑफ बिग बैंग। अब हमारा दूसरा यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा स्टेज स्टार्ट होने वाला है, लेकिन वो अगली क्लास से ही स्टार्ट होगा। यहाँ पे हम लोग उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए मतलब कुछ देर के बाद हम लोग इसको रैप अप करेंगे। वो जो पार्ट है ना, जो स्टेज स्टार्ट होने वाला है, 1 मिनट। यस, सो मैं आपको बता रहा था जो स्टेज यहाँ पे स्टार्ट होने वाला है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपको अब बहुत ज्यादा रिसर्च भी करनी होगी। वो है कुरान पाक स्टेज, जिसमें हम लोग कुरान पाक से भी देखेंगे, आप अपनी तरफ से भी रिसर्च करके लाएंगे और नोट्स भी बनाएंगे इसके ऊपर। डिड यू गॉट इट?
डिजिटल और इन नोटबुक।
डिड यू
एक दफा
गेट इट?
रिपीट कर दे, किस पे रिसर्च करना, मेरा नेट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था।
आप वो चेक कर लीजिएगा। फिर हम लोग आई थिंक से यहीं रैप अप कर लेते हैं। इब्राहिम आप नहीं जाइएगा कहीं भी, खौला और मुआज आप बाकी जा सकते हैं, अगर आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो। इब्राहिम आप यहीं रहिएगा।
ओके।
यस खौला एंड मुआज, सब कुछ समझ आ गया आपको?
मुझे बता दे किस पे रिसर्च कर।
कुरान पाक से तलाश करना है बिग बैंग की एग्जिस्टेंस को, सबको। ओके, सो अगर तो आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो फिर मुआज और खौला आप लीव कर सकते हैं, इब्राहिम आप यहीं रुके हैं।
ओके
तो थैंक यू वेरी मच
मोहम्मद,
मुआज एंड खौला, देन अल्लाह हाफिज। मुआज
अल्लाह
and
हाफिज,
खौला।
मा सलामा इला लिका।
मा सलामा या अखी।